No. The Laulima song is made up of 4 chords. The first chord is C. The second chord is G7. The third chord is F. And the last chord is C7. Alright, let's try the Laulima song in the chord of C. The word Laulima, Laulima, I said Laulima. It means to cooperate. I said Laulima, helping others every day, working together is what Laulima means to me. Laulima, Laulima.